Hello, guys. How are you? I am your host, I am your anchor, I am your teacher Satyendra Punia. And if you are just watching my channel, I am hoping that you are doing best and you are growing. But if you are not watching my content and just expecting that someday there can be some miracle happen and you will able to speak English, then it is your illusion. And just congratulations that you gonna always live in that delusion, because English speaking skill like a Hindi. Okay, Hindi is like English. I know Hindi is our mother tongue and our national tongue too, but English is a global language. So if you really want to adopt this language, if you really want to be a good English speaker, then you have only one option, that you just every day have to practice 10 minutes, 20 minutes. First of all, this is the rule book. Write in your notebook. You have to watch my content every day if you really want to be a good English speaker. Otherwise, if you are just watching other channel, then only God helps you, because it will take time. It will take a 10, 15, 20 years. And it's, but if you just watching my channel, I'm telling you that in 1 year you will able to speak a very good English. Okay, so yes, today's topic, as you can see, that red rag to a bull. It's about red rag to a bull. It's about look, guys, today, okay, let's we talk just a very some basic and civic issue. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow that. Okay, look, guys, it's very fortune that some people are really understand the thing in a age of 20, age of 15, and age of 25. I mean, if you just really can understand what I'm really exactly want to try to say, because maturity and knowledge, this is the two things which will make you a man and which will make your life. And this is the two things, not just about age. Okay, first of all, you have to step out this rat race, the age. Yes, if someone is elder, you have to always talk them nicely and gladly, but it doesn't mean that if someone is 60 years age and you are 30 years age, someone is a 40 years age and you are 20 years age, so it doesn't mean that 40 years man know more about than yourself. Okay, it doesn't mean. Okay, age is just a number. Maturity and knowledge, I really don't think so any age can define them. Okay, so if you are really mature enough and if you have enough knowledge, I really don't think so you will face any kind of problem. Okay, and also, look, guys, always just respect the science. Okay, I mean, look, guys, you can't believe, you really can't believe, I am the one of that child who have seen black and white TV to that digital content creation. Okay, I mean, you can easily see that how far I long away. Okay, I mean, from black and white TV, then colorful TV, then Samsung phone, then now content creation, then laptop. I mean, you have to respect the science. And now still I took a Wi-Fi connection, but it will help you. I mean, it will help you. Only it will can save you, because you know what? In problem in India, there are very little resources you have to knowledge, and if you have these 4 or 5 things, I really don't think so. Then then you can create your mind. Okay, then you can create your skill. Then you can gain to knowledge, because look, what is the actual meaning of, I mean, why we Indian loves Indian cinema, Indian movies, because they show you reality. 80% movies will show you reality about society, about nation, and but and of course now no one say this kind of thing, but you have to respect the technology and science if you really want to grow in your life. So, and you will grow. Just respect the technology and science, and because it will create your mind, absolute mind. Because you know what, you will never go to, I really don't want that any of you go to a police station just because of act someone do. I really don't want to do anyone. You just go to police station, and there can some kind of bad palace. Just watch them in a Indian movie and just learn that how our judiciary system and how our Indian police station, all how this system doing work. It will help you. Okay, and of course you will gain a huge amount of knowledge. So yes, if you are learning and keep growing, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please write in the comment section so I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.